Hi there, it's Kurt. This is our 1974 MGB. I've just taken this for a test drive. It's fitted with a Weber and a sports exhaust. Really good driving car. I think the speedo shows 84,000 miles. The spare tire was kind of clunking around in the trunk, but here's a good little video of it outside in the bright sunlight. Really attractive car. So drives great. Really nice engine with that big 45 DCOE Weber. Really snorts and makes the right noises, but nicely sprung suspension, new tires, really nice smooth car out on the road, good gearbox, great willing engine, you know, pulls great with good oil pressure, super comfortable seats. These are a little bit overstuffed, but you know, I was very comfortable in this car. You could probably take it on some nice long trips and be really comfortable. The steering wheel needs a little bit of alignment, and they haven't yet fitted seat belts, so that's my couple recommendations. Also, it's they've deleted the overriders. You can buy 4 overriders from Moss. You know, they're 35-40 bucks each for the correct ones. So, but they opted for just that clean, simple, plain bumper look. But you know, really good high quality paintwork, nice OEM style stainless mirrors, fresh crisp interior. You know, very good cosmetic restoration here. But like I said, drives great. Just took it out for the drive. You can see me preceding this walk around of the test drive around the streets here. But you know, good running driving car, good brakes, clutch, gearbox, nice throaty exhaust system, super attractive MGB in the right colors.